Good afternoon, Robert Scribbler here with the OBX wave report, looking to the south and east off of Jeanette's Pier at a North Atlantic Ocean that got a bit chopped up over the past couple of days as northeast winds began to blow yesterday and continued on through today. And right now we've got onshore waves in the range of about 2 to 3 feet. Still pretty choppy, but conditions are starting to clean up nicely. In the near offshore environment, the swell is around 5 feet. So if the winds calm down, we're likely to see better waves begin to roll on in, and that's actually what's starting to happen this evening. And we expect even better wave conditions here at Jeanette's Pier and across the east-facing beaches of the Outer Banks as we get into the day tomorrow, and possibly some good conditions as well on Friday. But then by the weekend, unfortunately, small waves predicted, although we shall have to see. Right now, there are no surfers offshore, but that's going to change as I'm going to get in the water, hopefully get some video for you guys. We shall see. Nonetheless, we're going to get some wave practice. And right now we can see a nice little set rolling in here. It's like 3-foot set, maybe a couple waves here in the range of 4 feet. It's hard to gauge without people on the water to give us a reference point. All right, and then for today, let's go ahead and get down to the official conditions. So right now at Jeanette's Pier, waves are officially in the range of 2 to 3 feet. The primary swell coming in out of the northeast at 6 seconds. That's a 3.5-foot swell. Secondary swell coming in out of the southeast at 11 seconds. That is a really small 0.2-foot swell. Winds right now out of the northeast calming down to around 12 miles per hour. We expect that calming to continue into the afternoon. Air temperatures in the range of 65 degrees. Ocean water temperatures in the 62-degree range. Sunny today with highs in the middle to upper 60s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, starting to calm down as we head on toward evening. And then as we head on down south to Rodanthe, waves in the range of 2 to 3 feet as well, with the primary swell coming in at 6 seconds out of the northeast. Secondary swell coming in at 7 seconds out of the southeast. Primary swell is 4 feet. Secondary swell is 0.6 feet down there at Rodanthe. Winds out of the northeast at around 20 miles per hour right now. Expected to calm down in through this evening. Temperatures right now in the upper 60s. Ocean water temperature at 64. Sunny with highs in the upper 60s today. Northeast winds calming to 10 to 15 miles per hour. And then for our last location at Buxton, we've got waves in the range of 2 to 3 feet. Primary swell coming in at 6 seconds. That's a 4.5-foot swell out of the northeast. Secondary swell at 7 seconds. 0.9-foot swell out of the southeast. Northeast winds in the range of about 20 miles per hour. Air temperatures at 66. Ocean water temperatures at 68. Sunny with highs in the middle 60s. Northeast winds this evening 10 to 15 miles per hour and calming. So across the Outer Banks today, right now, waves in the range of 2 to 3, possibly 2 to 4 feet. Pretty choppy, but calmer and cleaner conditions expected as we get into evening and then into the morning hour tomorrow. So thank you for joining me for this session of the OBX wave report as we look down the beach at some beachgoers. Not as many beachgoers as in recent days, as air temperatures are a little bit cooler, but conditions expected to improve again over the next couple of days. And as I always do, I would like to ask you guys to please do everything you can to help defend our coastlines by speeding the transition to clean energy being wind, water, solar, and electric vehicles. The clean energy transition will help to tamp down the impacts of climate change by reducing fossil fuel burning and reducing carbon emissions. The impacts of climate change being sea level rise, more intense storms that threaten the coastlines, and ocean acidification that threatens sea life. So thank you for joining me once again, and I will be back with you shortly.